Hi everyone, it's Cassidy. I wanted to make a quick video for you today about Schoology navigation and some basic skills that you're going to need to have for Schoology. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about our navigation bar. This home button is just going to be the quickest way to get you back to the home of Schoology. Your courses tab is where you're going to actually access any of the courses that you are taking and or creating. And you can see in my list of classes right now, I've got a ton of classes going on. So what I do to help myself keep it all organized is that you can click that arrow button, and now I could reorder any of my classes so that I could have like the most important ones on top or the soonest starting ones. I can organize these however I want. Right now mine are organized by course end date. Just these are the next ones that are ending, and then I just keep moving them up. The group button here is really helpful when working with students and trying to organize clubs and information. For an example, we use this at Jeffco's Virtual Academy for all of our different clubs. I run the crafting club. So I would have a group called JVA Crafting Club, and then this is where I would post all of my information, my what supplies they need to bring, what we're going to be working on, and this is just a platform for individual groups within Schoology. The resources is basically a long-term storage facility for your materials that you can keep online. I prefer to use Google Docs, but that's just me. I do use Google Docs within Schoology. I just don't link them to the resources. So I don't use the resources a whole lot. But when I do use the resources, it's for like quizzes and tests that I want to be able to give to multiple classes, maybe not just one. So if I build a test in a resource, then I can share it to all of my different classes that I would want to use it in. So hopefully that makes sense. The envelope here is your message system. So this is where I can send and receive messages from you guys within Schoology. Same with you. The little people here is if someone is trying to connect with you, you will get notifications here. You can connect with me after our courses have ended so that if you want to stay in touch or you want to be able to reach out to me for help, you can reach out to me through Schoology if we're connected. And then this little notification here is telling you who's doing what and when in your courses. So this kind of gives you a quick, brief overview of what's going on in your classes over the day. Excuse me. This pull down menu will let you get to your account settings, and this is where you can set up your notifications for your cell phone, for if you want to change your name, if you only want to receive notifications from an email or whatnot, you can set that all up here. Over here you've got your grades and attendance. I only have one grade book in here right now for me, but you can see there's everything, and you can click on the assignments in here to get to your actual assignments. So that's a little quick shortcut for you. And then you've got your calendar over here. I do enter all of the dates for all of my classes in the calendar. It's very simple to do when you're at that home screen. You can do it right here on your calendar, and you can do it from the actual courses as well. So when you're in an actual course, here's your upcoming, you can add event right here. So I'm going back to the home screen real quick. The mastery is really more for students and classes that have the standards already aligned to each one of the assignments, so we don't use that much, but it does give great feedback and data for you. So if that's something you want to look into, it's very resourceful and very neat to connect your assignments, but it does take a little bit of time and energy and effort to get that all set up. People, again, this is how you would set up that connection with me. You could go in here and you would just be able to type in Cassidy Hetzel, and I'm private access because it's me, but you would see my name pop up, and that's how we would connect. All right. So the next thing that we're going to do together real quick is I'm actually going to go into a course and just show you some very basic skills that I want you to know how to do as we are working our way through these classes. So the first thing is to create a page. So I'm going to go ahead and create a page. And in this class, I'm just going to call it sample. And so really all I want you to know, I mean, these tools you should be familiar with, of course, but actually getting the content into Schoology is something that you may just need a little bit of support with. So under the Insert Content button, you're going to go to Insert Image, Attach File, and this is for an image just based like right off your computer. So here I have a picture of my drooling puppy. It's going to be a huge picture, which is why I can't even see it here. But so I can say I want to take it down to 100 by 100. And that will make it so it's a pretty decent sized picture, but now we can bring it up a little bit. I was making pot roast pie this night, and he was a very excited puppy, and he was so ready to eat. All right, so that's how I get an image in. And then from here, if I, let's say, let's go over here to YouTube. And let's go to my channel. And let's say I really want to get my video here that I've created into Schoology. So I'm going to go to share, and I'm going to click the embed link. I'm going to Control C to that. And then for here, I'm going to go Insert Content, Image or Media. This is from the web, and it's media. And so this is the embed code that I'm going to put in, which means I just put in my video here. So this will then become an actual page, and when I click on this page, you will see that I have my doggy Watson Huckleberry's picture, and then here is my embedded video. Hi Ryan and Jeanette, this is from YouTube. So those are a few basic things that I wanted you to know to be able to do. If you have any questions, please let me know. Reach out to me anytime, guys. I'm always here to support you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.